What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out. Gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate. And today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using Mind Lead Gen Secrets, guys. Now, as you know, I just restarted doing this thing here, and I've been promoting it quite a bit, and it's been working. And the thing about it is that this is just the absolute simplest and easiest way to promote this product or any product that has to do with making money online. And it's been making me extra money just doing this alone, just this very easy process of doing it alone. So if you're interested in following along, links are in the description. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first off, let's look at our results here. And it looks like we get a sale here. The $100 sale. We got a $100 sale here. Let's refresh the page to make sure. I think this has already been, I'll check later, but I think this is already a sale I already was getting. But you know, because it's recurring commissions, it's 80% recurring commissions. So this is a sale I got a long time ago, and it's still coming through. So yeah, you can, that's the beauty of this system. Like, you don't have to have that many sales to make a ton of money because they're recurring. All right, so we're gonna refresh the page here to make sure this is real. Yep, look like this is indeed real. Did get a sale, guys.
Nice.
Now, I'm not entirely sure if it's a new sale or not, but you know, I'll check that later. But that's the beauty, guys. Recurring commission comes in, it pays every single month. Beautiful. And you can just keep making money because you're getting sales from people multiple times every month. You know what I mean? Which is the beauty of this system, and it's 80% of it beauty as well. So you know, the system's $25. I get $20 for every one of you guys that sign in. I get 20 of those $25. That's absolutely insane. I want to make sure I clarify that. I get one of you guys sign in, I will get 20 of those dollars sent to my bank account. Crazy. And even though I've been promoting in a very light tone and manner, like just the simplest way possible, I still made over almost $7,000 on this alone. Doing this alone, cause I don't promote it any other way like social media or anything like that. I just promote it doing this, guys. Just doing this very simple method that I'm about to show you now. But anyway, guys, this is the link that I like to use here. So, you know, all-in-one business sale here. This is the link that I like to use. And what you want to do, guys, is go to the bottom of this video here. You'll see links. One of them gonna say incomespeech.com or something like that, and the other one's gonna say that's the one you want to click on. In fact, you want to click on that, and it's gonna take you to this page here. It's gonna take you to this page, the all-in-one business. It's gonna tell you about making money, all that good stuff, beautiful things, right? And yeah, that's the beauty of it. Really amazing. Right? So yeah, you do that, and just when you decide you want to try this out, you can watch the videos, a bunch of videos. Yes, I want in, whatever it may be. Click on that, you put in your information, and then you log in, and then you can have this is the $100 commissions I got. You gotta have this right here, but it's free for you guys for this right here. If y'all start under me, get this for free. All right, guys, you get this for free if you use my link for 14 days. And so if you got a $100 sale within 14 days, you get to keep it for free. All right, guys, that's the beauty. All right, guys, I just want to clarify that. And yeah, man, that's all there is to it. So now we need, once you get in the system and stuff and get your link here, you need a way to promote it. And the simplest way to promote it I have found, period, is to just go to My Lead Gen Secrets here, log in. Excuse me, guys. My Lead Gen Secrets here, log in, and just go over here to mailing system here, and then yeah, click on select all. Select all your leads. You're only gonna have 100 at first, but you'll build up fast. You can get sales no matter what. And then just pick the email that you want to send. And that's all it is to it. It's really all it is to it. Works like clockwork. Alright guys? Works every time. You can copy the email if you want to here. I'm gonna show it real quick. So just pause the video so you can copy it. I'm gonna show the whole email for you guys. Get a chance to do it. Boom, that's all it is to it. You put your link right here, guys. You put your link right there. Make sure you hit perfect timing, or don't hit it. It don't matter. I think either one works. I haven't tested not clicking on perfect timing yet, but I think it's a good idea to do. I think you get checked a lot more often. I just haven't checked it. It just seemed like a good idea. But anyway, just do whatever you want. Send the email though. Make sure to send the email. No matter what you decide to do, send the email. Test a lot of stuff, but just send the email. But this is all I really do, guys. It works for me. It might work better without perfect time. I don't know, but it works for this works for me. I get sales all the time doing this, and I'm starting back up, trying to build back up. Cause I was making a ton. I don't know if you guys know this, but like about a year ago around this time, I'm making a ton of money off of this. No, not this time. It was around November. I was making so much money off of this. And like February, stuff like that, making a ton of money. Then I just stopped for a while because something happened in my real life. Just want to make sure I clarify that. But that only took me about 5 minutes to do, guys. And I'm recording and everything for you guys. Take about 30 seconds once you get your emails in there. And then you're done, you know. That's all it takes. All right, guys. That's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.